Hello everyone, welcome to the new session. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Parthopatim Roy and I have more than 14 years of experience in IT industries. I am Azure certified and also certified in Azure Data Engineering. I have designed this course specially for working professionals who want to upgrade their skill and for those who are planning to build a career in Azure Cloud and Data Engineering. If you are serious about your building your career in Azure Cloud and Data Engineering, this course will definitely help you. Let's get started. First session we covered what is the cloud computing, what is the IaaS, what is the PaaS, and what is the SaaS, and what is the difference between public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. And we see the Azure portal overview. Next, we covered the Azure services like Azure virtual machines, how to create, and what is the Azure storage, how to create the storage, what is the Azure networking, resource group, and Azure Active Directory now in Entra services. Next, we cover the Azure administration like Azure Virtual Networking, VNet, Subnet, NSG, how to create the virtual network, load balancer, backup and recovery vault, how to create the backup, and Azure monitoring and log analysis. Next, most important point of the Azure Data Lake and ADL Gen 2, how to create the ADLS, how to build the normal storage to ADLS, then like blob storage, Azure security, access controls. Next, we learn the database and SQL, then SQL basic to advanced and indexes, what is the data warehousing concept and ETL or ELT, what is the extract, transform and load, what is the extract, load and transform. Next, we covered the Python basic level, how to work with the file, pandas introduction and basic data processing. Next, start the very important part, ADF, Azure Data Factory, how to create the ADF, how to ingest the data from various sources, then pipeline and activities, link services, how to create the link services and how to use, then copy activity, data flow activity, trigger and monitoring, what type of trigger we are used in your current. Then we start the very important part in Azure Databricks, how to use the Databricks in our project and what is the purpose actually Databricks is the basically is the transformation and introduction to the Spark, PySpark basic concept and transformation and actions. Then we start the Delta Lake, Delta Life Table, how to use the Delta Life Table, what is the difference the Delta Lake and Parquet file, what file format you are using. Last and final, the career and interview preparation, real-time interview question and answering, and scenario-based questions. In this session, we will cover